Hi students, welcome to the session on even and odd signals. Right, this is one class of important signals. Let us see this. So even signal is also known as symmetric signal. Odd signal is also known as anti-symmetric signal. Right? So a signal, first we define even and odd in continuous time, then we will define it in discrete time. So a continuous time signal x of t is known as even signal if x of minus t is equal to x of t. It is known as odd signal if x of minus t is equal to minus of x of t. Right? This is what definition of even and odd signal in continuous time. Similarly, a discrete time signal x of n is known as even signal if x of minus n is equal to x of plus n. Similarly, it is known as odd signal if x of minus n is equal to minus x of plus n. Clear? So, for all value of t here, this is for all value of n. Okay. So, now let us see this. What they are telling, let us take one example. Sine wave. Right? This is what our sine. Right? Here you see this is x of t. Right? This side is x of plus t, where t is positive value. Right? Other next side, left hand side is okay, x of minus t. Right? This is x of minus t, negative value for t is negative. Here you see the first half. Let us take the first half. The first half is, you take this is a reference, 0 is a reference. First half is positive, whereas here first half is negative. Similarly, but same value. Similarly, here second half is negative. Here second half is positive. So what it indicates, if x of t is, what is x of minus t? X of minus t is equal to minus of x of plus t. This is plus 1 means this is minus 1. Yes or no? So x of minus t is equal to minus of x of plus t. Plus t, if you multiply plus t with minus 1, x of t with minus 1, you will get this. Similarly, if you multiply this area with minus 1, you will get this. So this is a odd signal. Right? Let us take one more signal, cos wave. Right? We know cos wave will be like this. Fine. So here you see what will happen. See, first half positive, second half negative. Here you see, here also first half positive, second half negative. So whatever be the, this is x of plus t, here x of minus t, this is equal to, this is x of t values from t is minus. So this is what, this value is same, this value is same. So x of minus t is equal to x of plus t. X of minus t is equal to x of plus t. So it is a even signal. Right? Similarly, for a discrete domain, we will see, you see this signal, right? This is reference, right? Here you see some signal 2, 1.5. Here 1, here 0.5. You see what is that? This is x of n. What is x of 1? So let us assume 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. What is x of 1? X of 1 is 1. What is x of minus 1? X of n is equal to minus 1, again 1. This implies x of 1 is equal to x of minus 1. What is x of 2? 0.5. X of minus 2, 0.5. So everything is same. So x of n is equal to x of minus n, even signal. Symmetry. Right? That's why it is called symmetry signal. Let us take this one. Same. 2, 1, 0.5. Minus 1, minus 0.5. 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. What is x of 1 here? Here x of 1 is again 1. What is x of minus 1? Minus 1. X of 2, 0.5. X of minus 2, minus 0.5. This implies x of 1 is equal to, x of minus 1 is equal to minus of x of plus 1. Yes or no? So what it is indicating? It is indicating odd signal. So that's what the difference. Even means there is a symmetry. You see the symmetry, left hand side and right hand side both are symmetry. So this is symmetry. Here anti-symmetry. Mirror image is reflected. So anti-symmetry. Right? This is odd, this is even. Similarly, this is even, this is odd, right? So this is even signal, this is odd signal. It is anti-symmetry, asymmetry, right? This is symmetry. I hope understand the concept clearly. And another thing you have to understand here is any signal can be decomposed into even and odd component. Example, so you can decompose x of t as x e of t plus x odd of t. E means even, O means odd. Right? This is what any signal can be decomposed. Clear? So suppose let us assume what is x of minus t for this. X of minus t is x e of minus t plus x o of minus t. 1, 2. What is x e of minus t? For even signal, x e of minus t is nothing but x e of plus t. Right, for odd signal, xo of minus t is minus xo of plus t. Yes or no? Odd means it is minus of xo of plus t. Why? It is x of minus t is equal to x of minus of x of t. That's what odd is. So xo of minus t is equal to minus x of t. Xo of t. So you see this equation number 3. This is x of minus t. Then you add 1 plus 3. If you add 1 plus 3, what will happen? X of t plus x of minus t is equal to 2xe of t. This implies xe of t is equal to x of t plus x of minus t divided by 2. Very, very important equation. So even component of the signal can be obtained from taking the average of x of t plus x of minus t, right? Similarly, you subtract 1 minus 3, 3 from 1, what will happen? 3 from 1 means e will be cancelled, so x of t plus a minus x of minus t is equal to 2xo of t. So x of t minus x of minus t is equal to 2xo of t. This indicates xo of t is equal to x of t minus x of minus t divided by 2. This is what an odd component of any signal can be obtained, right? So the same logic is applicable for digital discrete time domain. There x e of n is obtained by x of n plus x of minus n by 2. Similarly, x o of n is obtained by x of n plus minus x of minus n by 2. Right? In this way, we can find the even and the odd component of any signal. Right? I hope you understand everything clearly. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.